I've been thinking, to have this kind of a nature treks, but I've never found a right, you know, company or like a that kind of a group actually. So always I feel like I get um cleansed or cleared of unwanted thoughts or filling myself with a fresh thoughts or fresh mind before meditation I say. But now being aware of everything, that has been wonderful. Yeah, thank you for initiating this. Thank you, Mameshwar sir, for coming and uh, making us all meet here. My experience is like, especially water. Everybody, as Srikanth sir said, like you guys have to spend time with yourself for half an hour. Yeah, we were actually sitting, but I feel like okay, there is something that it's like happening. Like I have been in a shell, so I just thought of like opening myself. So soaking water, soaking feet in the water was really, really, refreshing, and I feel like it has grounded me a lot and opened up new wisdom doors. Like probably I'm not ready to, receive. That is been happening today. It's really, really wonderful. Thank you.